Hello friends, today I am showing how to make apple juice with grapes, and it's a totally special apple juice and it's totally making simple way and very healthy and very tasty and delicious, and it's a totally making quick recipe. So now let's start, and those who are new visitor my channel, please keep subscribe, like, share and comment. Now let's start. Step 1. First of all, this apple cut into small pieces. Remove the seeds, remove this part of apple. And now cut into small pieces. And this apple juice special for summer season and very healthy and very tasty. All apple cutting are done into small pieces and pour into the small dish. And now these grapes, green grapes, cut into small pieces. All apple and grapes are cut into small pieces. Now go to next step. Here I take mixer machine bowl. Now add small pieces grapes. Then after that small pieces apple. Now add little bit water. Now add little bit rock salt, means black salt. Don't use simple salt, always use black salt. This black salt smell enhance. And now add little bit sugar, and now paste well properly. See the friends, these apple juice are done and paste well properly. See this. And now let's go next step. Now here I take one strainer and now juice properly strain. See the friends, this apple part very healthy for hair. And now apple juice are ready, and now this apple juice serve well properly. See the friends, this apple juice is now ready and very healthy and very refresh juice. Here is no chemical added, and here this juice is totally pure juice. So now if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.